Greetings. Sunday, just put up the budget salad video. Wasn't scheduled until Friday, but I saw earnings nosediving and figured I got to get it out. Got to get the views. So as of this morning, I was checking. Let's take a look. Let's go over to the land of earnings make-believe. So this is my 3080 Ti rig, and salad earnings, not so good. Actually, it doesn't even say. It says calculating. So let's go over to the land of AI make-believe and see what this one says. This is the 4070, and it is, previously this was like $2 something to $5 a day. 4070 7900X, 64 gigs of RAM. Decent rig. It's not a 4090, but decent rig, right? 12 gigabyte card though. You can't see it, it's in reverse. 78 cents to $1.85. So salad earnings, not so good right now. Everyone and their mother is making salad videos, and so everyone's jumping on board. You can see my earnings here, and it went whoop, so not as good. Wanted to just kind of put this video out. I usually like a little more pomp and circumstance with a video instead of this kind of thing, but you know, before you rush out, you know, jump on salad and you see the earnings are terrible, and you're like, fucking technicals, he told me, he steered me wrong, report him. Don't do it. Blame Brandon Coin. He made more salad videos. Anyway, this is gonna happen. So they only have a finite amount of jobs, and you know, so the mining, the hashing supply is outstripping the demand for it, or vice versa, or whatever. You get the idea. Now, it probably should be noted that I was watching Brandon Coin's channel, and he was recasting a salad.io, the devs, talking about like the state of things. And they were talking about how they're onloading and onboarding new customers, and those customers, I don't know, you know, I guess they're rendering platforms or whatever. So more jobs are coming. Whether or not they'll be profitable, I don't know, because you know, they have an abundance of supply, and if I was running salad, I would probably not provide the same amount of earnings. I would probably tweak it down so I can irk some more profit out of it, or you know, lower prices to attract more customers. So you know, it would make sense to have a steady supply of jobs for everyone that's joining your platform, so you can then harvest more fees if you're salad. I don't want to speculate on what salad is doing, but just know that more jobs are on the way. They're working on it because they want more jobs for all the people coming on. But as of right now, not great. Anyway, before you jump out and start making rigs and stuff like that, just follow the saga. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already to follow the salad saga, or jump back into crypto mining and wait for things to heat up again. But as it stands right now, there's really just nowhere to go. And a lot of people want to mine or do salad type stuff with their equipment. So really don't expect that to get better one way or the other, because you know, people want to make some money. So anyway, that's the impromptu update. Let me know what you're doing in the comments below. Did you also see a significant drop in your salad earnings if you were doing salad? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I'm TheTechnicals. See you next time.